I'll be doing this is back in the day. Now it's okay, I know I ain't afraid. It's been like this, yeah, for a while now. Like every time I tell you, like calm down. I think it is too late, to turn around. I think it is too late, for me now. Yeah, I smoke my life away. Yeah. Don't be afraid, don't be ashamed. I feel your pain, seeing your eyes. No, it's alright. You smoke a blunt, you get high until the night. It's my fault, like yeah, it's my fault. It's my fault 'cause I opened the bar. It's my fault, like yeah, it's my fault. It's my fault, like yeah, it's my fault. It's my fault 'cause I opened the bar. It's my fault, like yeah, it's my fault. What's my mission for the day? What's the reason for I pray? What I'm living for? I seek freedom, hit a place where we run to summers just being dumb. But that's what it is when you're growing up, all corrupted, acting up, cause I ain't got the right love and feeling misplaced. Even though when demons come up to my face, things change like losing family, that's reality. Feel like the devil battered me, who knows where you truly gonna go? Oh, feeling like I've been stuck in a dark hole. Oh no, yeah. Here I go, here I go.